Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how can we pause or stop YouTube shorts in YouTube. It's a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is open YouTube, and by opening YouTube scroll down, and as you can see over here there are a lot of YouTube shorts, right? So what we have to do is press on a three dot and then press on not interested. Follow the same thing or same process in each and every video. So let me show you. So press not interested, same goes over here, same here, same here, and as you can see I am following the same process, same here, and this is the last one. Press. So as you can see now the videos have been removed. So now what I have to do is go back and just refresh, and now as you can see there are no shorts. So this is the way how can we stop or pause shorts in YouTube.